Hello, it's Victoria. So I filmed this new normal makeup look. If you want to know more, please continue watching. Hi guys, I already prepped my skin and we'll go straight to foundation. Here I'm using Dior Forever Skin Glow. I'm in the shade 2N. For concealer, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand. I'm going to put it underneath my eyes, down the nose, and other areas that I can see redness. So I'm just going to blend everything out. I really like the texture of this concealer because it really blends well to my skin. So instead of using a sponge, I'm using this fluffy brush from Zoeva. Okay, let's seal this up. Here I'm using Laura Mercier setting powder. It's really important to set everything with powder to keep everything in place. To add a definition, I'm going to add a little shading using this matte bronzer from Inglot. This one is from the Jennifer Lopez collection. I really love this shade in Cocoa. For eye primer, I'm using the same as what I use as concealer. So here I want to start with a very nice base. I'm just going to blend that out and set it with powder. Yay, we're done with the base. Ready for my favorite part, the eye makeup. Since I want to look girly, I'm going to use this pinkish eyeshadow and put it all over my lid. Next, I'm going to use a fluffy brush again and use the shade Eden as my transition color. Since my eyes are what you can only see, I want to add a wing. I'm using my favorite wing liner brush from Zoeva. Yes, make it that perfect. And that's the wing. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes, but I'll skip the mascara first, because we're going to add these false eyelashes. And once the glue is tacky, you can put this as close as to your lash line. Check, check, check. To intensify the eyes, I'm going to use this shade Musk and apply it at the outer corner of my eyes. Blend, blend, blend. Aura, aura. Now I'm just going to add mascara. To highlight my eyes, I'm going to use this Gold Shimmer eyeshadow and put it at the inner corner of my eyes. For the eyebrows, I'm using my longtime favorite eyebrow pencil from K Palette. Next, I'm going to set my eyebrows with an eyebrow mascara from Blair. Using a flat brush, I'm just going to clean everything with a concealer. Since I'll be wearing a mask, I won't be putting any highlighters, but I'm going to finish my makeup with a satin finish powder from Laura Mercier. Since my lips are super dry, I'm going to mix this Lucas Papao and my favorite lipstick from Clinique. Next, I'm just going to blot that with a tissue so it won't transfer my mask. And we're finished, guys! I know this is such a big adjustment, but always wear your mask. Make sure it fits well, and also don't forget to protect your eyes. Stay pretty but protected. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.